Speedpaint is an annual art training game that starts on the 1st of July and lasts a whole month.
The premise is you attack people with art of their OCs, and if they want, they can get revenge on you. There are two teams. Last year was Vampires vs Werewolves, and this year's Team Stardust and Seafoam. I'm on Team Seafoam, and spoilers, Stardust won. Honestly, we didn't stand a chance. They were consistently in the lead throughout the whole month. This is my second year doing Art Fight, and last year I got to draw a gender bent version of my little Meow Meow. I still think of her to this day. And something else I still think about to this day is my favorite artist drew me boy. Like, oh my god, thank you so much. The plan this year is simple. I'm just going to attack as many slime creatures as I could possibly find, and like all things I set myself to, I got distracted. Like, there are so many cool OCs, I just ended up scrolling more than drawing, if I'm being completely honest. Not that long ago, I promised a friend I would draw my favorite boy of theirs, and since July was coming up, I waited for my chance to strike. So, naturally, I put it off until it was appropriate. I love winning. Later that night, I did a little doodle of this guy, and I don't think it's readable, but I enjoyed making it, and that's all that matters. While working on a commission, they are very open by the way, I could hear this little bastard snickering. I'm chill, Frog's freaking out.
You should check Art Fight.
Then this little bastard drew me and my wife. Saying that, she helped me make this video, so big ups to her. So, Wimser wanted to attack me, eh? Well, good thing I already had a sketch of the character prepared. I ended up just tidying up the colouring, and I ended up shading way more than I intended to, but it's the thought that counts. And ooh, I can't forget about this loser. I know. Where are all the slime? There was a dry period. Who knew all the slime OCs would be on Team Seafoam? I ain't doing friendly fire. I want my points, goddammit. While trying to collect all the goop specimens that you'll see towards the end of this video, I found this OC. And honestly, I just had to draw them. I totally didn't spend way too much time rendering it and decided, hey, let's do lineless for the first time. What could go wrong? And also, I decided to use red, which I never do. So, let's just say I felt gross. But honestly, it paid off, so I'm over it at this point. As of recording, I don't really know what I'm going to title this video, but I'm going to have the word slime in there somewhere. So, I'm assuming you've clicked on this video for the slime specifically. So, I'm going to stop blabbering and just let you enjoy these speed paints.
Music, maestro, please.
And that was my art fight. We had a good start, but then I fell ill, so I had to take a good break, but I think I made up for it in the end. Everyone who is featured in this video will be linked in the description, so show them some love if you must. Anyway, I hope to see you next year and I'll fucking get you!